what he did. But he could not withstand the pressure inside the party. Hardly he survived for about 50 days. What was the use? So the message, as Mr. Ramakrishnan said, the message was very, very thin. They would have concentrated maximum about 30 to 40 constituencies, that's all. Not to the whole country for them. So at least, they would have made at least 10. That would have been a big thing for them.
And one more thing, we constantly hear Aam Aadmi Party leaders saying this talk about vote share. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you're a political party, at the end of the day, it matters whether you're in the government or not, whether you're winning seats or not. You can have a vote share, but if you're not in the government, you will lose your vote share in the next election.
See, one second. After Aam Aadmi, you see, when they have won the Delhi elections for the women, now you see, for all the 7 seats of the parliament, all the 7 seats won by the BJP.
Yes.
Then, what is the base of the Aam Aadmi Party today? See, because when it comes from a movement, it just came and went. But what was the use? What is the foundation? The foundation is totally gone now. See, again, build-upping is not a joke.
Yes.
Right, we'll come back to the Aam Aadmi Party debate, but before that, we have a big news coming in. LK Advani congratulates Narendra Modi. Well, we know that the strained relationship between LK Advani and Narendra Modi has been a center of attention for quite some time now, where LK Advani on numerous occasions has made his displeasure clear with the kind of importance and the kind of control that Narendra Modi was given of the party. But after Narendra Modi was anointed as the BJP campaign committee chief and was anointed as the prime ministerial candidate, LK Advani on various occasions has publicly congratulated Narendra Modi, has acknowledged his stature, as well as has almost accepted him. But at the same time, the strained relationship came to the fore even when LK Advani had to choose his constituency, as he wanted to shift to Bhopal, and now the senior leader there congratulating Narendra Modi. Well, Mr. Hari Ramaswamy, you joining us today. Harish Ramaswamy, I beg your pardon. LK Advani congratulating Narendra Modi. We know that the relationship is strained. We know that LK Advani on numerous occasions has been forced to acknowledge him and the position that has been given to him. Do you think that this strained relationship could have a larger bearing on the BJP in the future?
Probably, this is a kind of courtesy that they should have done. I mean, I'm sure they would have done, going to do that. But what's more important is how is Modi going to take a look at Advani when he thinks in terms of forming the government. That's more important for me. Probably, Advani is going to be pushed to the chairman's position or something like that, which is
perhaps
a position and not an influential thing.